Hello everyone, Noob GamiTech is here. Today's topic $350 budget gaming PC build. So let's get started. First, in this build, two components are highly recommended. One processor, two motherboard. In this build, we select AMD Ryzen 3 2200G APU. It has built-in Radeon Vega 8 graphics, 4 cores, 3.7 GHz Max Boost for clock, and system memory speed 2667 MHz. Second, we select ASRock AB350M motherboard. It has so many features. Supported AMD APU, Ryzen series CPU, supported DDR4 3200 MHz plus bus speed, one PCIe 3.0 x16, one PCIe 2.0 x1, one Ultra M2 Gen 3 port. Next, we select Patriot Viper Elite Series DDR4 8GB 2400 single kit RAM. After that, we need storage, so we used Western Digital Blue 1TB hard disks for storage. We cannot afford SSD because it's budget build. Next component is a casing. Gaming PC deserve gaming casing, but it's tight budget. We select Roswell Micro ATX Mini Tour computer case. Decent look, plastic and steel body, 1x18mm rear fan, and so on. For future proof, we use the PSU EVGA 450BT 80 plus bones 450 watt PSU. So today we in the video here. If you have any question, comment down below and I'll answer it. And most important, like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye.